Hey everybody, and welcome back to Kai Cooks. And today we're going to be making some carby, cheesy goodness. Now these are for the days when you just had a long day, you just want to eat, you want your belly full, you want to be comforted by food. This is some good comforting food coming at you right now. Let's get to it. First things first is you're going to want some pasta, spinach and mushrooms. Then you're also gonna want some salt, pepper, nutritional yeast. Don't come at me, I accidentally put the stock cube thing down by accident. And also celery salt, because that's my favorite. Then your choice of dairy-free cheese. I went for mozzarella, Tesco's mozzarella. Some oat milk and 2 garlic cloves. And also your cashews. If you forget to soak your cashews, don't worry. Put them into boiling water for like 10 to 20 minutes, it's fine. Then you're going to want to start cooking up your pasta, boiling your pasta. Don't forget to salt that and chopping up your veg. I've also already minced my garlic, so yeah. So next you're going to want to put your pan to a medium heat and chuck in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in there. I just guesstimate on this recipe because you can't really mess it up. And then you want to put your minced garlic in there as well and just get that, frying. Of course I added in celery salt here too. I love this stuff. You can't get enough. I can't get enough. And then you add in your mushrooms. Oh, look at all them mushrooms. Oh, I love mushrooms so much. Once you've drained and rinsed your cashews, you're going to want to add that to your food processor or blender if you have access to either of those. Add in approximately 2 cups of your favourite dairy-free milk, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. I also added in celery salt here, but I've lost the footage, so you'll just have to trust me. And also salt and pepper to taste. This is the part where we add in our dairy-free cheese, and I added in about 2 handfuls. So you just want to go ahead and whiz that on the highest setting just to ensure that everything is as smooth as possible. Okay, so I do have to admit I didn't soak my cashews for that long. I was kind of in a rush this day, so your sauce will look creamier than this if you soak your cashews. Soak your nuts, guys. Don't do what I did. So once you have added your pasta to your mushrooms and stirred it all up, you then want to add in your sauce. And make sure you get every last bit of that sauce, because a little bit goes a long way. And as you can see, I have a lot of pasta, so oh, look how good that is. Oh my god. I also added in some more garlic granules and also some celery salt. I just felt like I hadn't added in enough. I do like strong flavors though, so if you like it more subtle, don't worry. I just would like to take a moment as well to talk about how frustrating spinach is, because it takes up so much space and then it just reduces to nothing. Like, why is that allowed? Anyway, back to the video. And then it's done. That's literally the recipe. That is it. You then want to serve it into a massive serving dish that nobody asked for, but it's for the video, it's for YouTube, of course. You gotta do what you gotta do. I should also mention that this recipe was for 4 to 5 people, so just keep that in mind when you're measuring out your ingredients. Of course, you're not going to want to make this much if you're on your own. I mean, you may want to. I would. No judgments here, but just keep it in mind.